Getting your vehicle in for regular scheduled maintenance not at the top of your to-do list? As a Lexus owner, it should be. When you visit a Lexus dealership for scheduled maintenance, you get to experience the Lexus difference. The care and attention we strive to give you and your vehicle goes way beyond a list of service items. We value your time and aim to treat you like a guest in our home. Sure, we have free coffee and bottled water, but who doesn't these days? Lexus dealers deliver more with workstations, free Wi-Fi, a play area for kids, and luxurious lounges at your disposal. And when you need it, we can arrange a loaner car and send you on your way. From our receptionist to our service team, we're here for you. And we know your Lexus better than anyone. Our service logs from every Lexus dealer in the country are shared and reviewed in a national database. So no matter where you get your vehicle serviced, we know its history. The joy of owning a Lexus should never end. Visiting your Lexus dealer for regularly scheduled maintenance will keep that joy alive and help keep your Lexus on the road for years to come.